Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video, which is almost the same video I do all the time. You know, trying to show you guys how to get this money. Been sick, man. Been sick for the last 7, 8 days, man. Been coughing every damn day, man. So bad that my ribs are killing me, man, and my back, because the cough been so hard. You know, it almost sound like bronchitis, but doctor says it's not. But it sounds like it. So let's get to the search as fast as I can before I start coughing on this video here. Somebody wanted to check 8 axles, RGN. Now the code in Landstar is not RGN, so I just got everything. I just put down all the trailers that got 8 axle, and he could just check it from there. Try to figure out from there if he can. I try to contact Landstar to see what is the different code is, but these are some searches here. There's nothing out of Texas, so this is the only places that got these loads. So I scrolled down for you to look at it. There you go. Man, look at that. 39 miles, 5,200 pounds. I mean, $5,200 for 39 miles, 83,000 pounds. Man, that's crazy, man. Man, wow. In one day, wow, that is insane. Hey, I put 83,000 pounds on my trailer for 39 miles. Shit, that's pretty good. That's crazy. Need some permits and stuff like that, but make some money. That's it. That's all they got, man. Usually they have more, but that's all they got as of right now. Let's clear that out because it's gonna drive me crazy looking for this. Oh, let's check Van. Let me see if I could get this next one correct. What's that? Charleston. Give me a second. Yeah, give it a like if you want. You want to give it a dislike? Give it a dislike too. Don't matter. I always get one anyway. A bunch of haters. Damn haters. I'm out here trying to show you guys this and I get a dislike. I hate that. I hate it. So give me a dislike. Let me know what you hate about this video, and then I'll tell you straight up. Email me. You got my email. Don't call me because, I don't like that. Charleston. Let's see what we got. Charleston. Where you want to check? Charleston. Charleston, Connecticut. Not too bad. I'll do that load. I won't go to Florida. I go to Virginia. There's good freight out of there. Georgia, of course I go to Georgia. Alright, let's see what else we got. We're gonna check the stuff going back into Charleston, so let's see. Give me a second. Come on, man, where you at? There you go. Whew. Let's go. Let's see what we got going back. 2 loads going back. Wow, it's busy. I mean, they're both paying good, but I mean, you expect more freight coming out of there. Alright, let's clear that out. Clear that out. Next search is Phoenix, Arizona. Phoenix is not a good place. I did Phoenix last year too when it was busy, and there was hardly nothing coming out of there. You got a day ahead like 300 miles sometimes. So let's see. $33 loads out of there. He wanted to check loads go to Texas, but I just left her blank because I know that this is all you're gonna get is these kind of loads here. There's really nothing leaving out of there. Nothing going there too. I checked earlier today. There was like 3 loads going to Phoenix, Arizona. Not playing high, but I mean, it could be more loads there if you put down $2 a mile, which you might have to, because it's a bad, you know. Let's see, that's 150 miles radius. So, see, you put $2 a mile, now they got a lot of freight coming out of there. A lot of $2 a mile freight there. And of course, you got to look at the dates when it's picking up, the weight, and all that stuff. There's a lot of stuff you got to, you know, put into consideration, you know, before you even book it. Alright. Hopefully I'm not going quick, but I just had a lot of people want to do some searches today, so trying to do the best I can to help everybody out. There you go. I'm not even gonna pronounce that because that is I'm not even gonna pronounce that. Is he banned out of there? Let's see. A lot of freight coming out of there. A lot of freight. Hey guys, if I ain't got you today, please. I got you. I got you guys down here on my phone, and I'll make sure I take care of you guys on Monday. So please, there's a few guys that I might not able to get, but I'm gonna try to get back to you on Monday. All right. There you go. Next one is somebody want to check Texas. So you want to check the Texas market. So let's see. Let's put. No, let's go back. Let's put 250. He was from Houston, so look, he's from Houston. Look, first thing that popped up was Houston, so that's good. Dallas, Texas, go Cowboys. That's my squad right there. Houston, a lot of Houston freight there, brother. Making it look easy. No, was making it look easy one in Houston? No. Wrong person. It was Dennis, my bad. Dennis wanted to look out of stuff out of Houston. There you go. Yeah, making it look easy, wanted to check loads going into Ohio and Texas. So we're going to do him next real quick. Memphis, you got. Oh, need to charge my phone. Let's put 100 miles radius. Let's put down Ohio. Should be some good stuff, hopefully. Sorry guys, sorry. Race don't look that bad. Looks alright. What do you guys think, man? Let me know in the comments. You guys think they're alright or what? Man, they better than $1 a rate per mile, I'll tell you that. And of course we ain't gonna see it because we put $2.50 a mile, but I mean at least we're seeing some positive stuff here. It could be blanks, you know what I'm saying? Man, what's up with this Texas? Texas, wow. All right, man. Listen, this is it, man. This is it. Let me do one more thing. I always be doing. Sorry. Listen, please subscribe if you haven't. Any questions? Please email me if you can. I try to get you as best as I can, and hit that subscribe button, man, and then notification button too if you want. You know, these are of course oversized stuff is the highest paying stuff here. So. There you go. You can scroll down, just see what's up. But yeah, man, if you like it, just like it. If not, it's cool. You guys have a good weekend, and I will get back to you on Monday. All right, peace.